Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones Edifier W830NB using application. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. And right here we have find my product, click on it. Now, if you click search, it will play some song. So don't use your headphones. Click on it. And as you can hear right now, we have this sound. When you find it, just click found. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.